everyone, so there are 2 weeks until we go on our honeymoon and it's a bit crazy in this household due to the wedding. So there's so many videos that I want to get done and I hope that I manage to film them before I go and not when I come back. So apologies for the state of me. I've been cleaning all day and organising, but I wanted to get it filmed, so I apologise the way I look, and I look horrendous, I know. But today I'm going to be doing Ellie's plane bag. So as you know, we're going to Florida for 2 weeks and Ellie is nearly 3 years old. She's a really good traveller, but obviously the older she gets, the harder it is to keep her entertained and happy on the plane. So I've got her a few things really cheap, and I thought this would be a good video if you are travelling with a toddler or a baby. Things you could do to keep your little ones amused, because I think it's a 9-hour flight, and we done it when we went to Jamaica and she was brilliant, but it's because of what I packed. So her little bag is this really cute one from the Disney store. I am going to be taking everything out of the packet so it does actually zip out, but I wanted to show you before I take it out of the packets. But it's a little trolley bag, so she can pull it along. It's really like good size, it's not too big and it's not too small. It's got this little pocket here at the front where I'm going to put little kind of like treats or sweets, just to reward her, or bribery. So there's a little pocket there, and the Minnie Mouse is all like sparkly, and yeah, there's just like tons of room inside. So this is her little backpack. I got it from the Disney store. I think it was only £12 or £15 because it was on sale. Okay, so I'm going to get into it because my battery is flashing and I look horrendous. I look so disgusting. So the first thing, majority of this stuff is from the pound shop, because I don't see the need in spending loads and loads of money on just travelling. So a lot of this is from the pound shop, but I'll explain where things are. The first thing is this little mermaid doll. I don't know if you can see there. It's just a purple mermaid doll, £1. It comes with a little hairbrush, and she really likes things like this. She loves Barbies, any figures. Yeah, I think she'll like this. And anytime she gets kind of whingy or bored, I can just whip out a toy every half an hour or something to keep her entertained. So yeah, some of this might be for the way home as well, because obviously the plane journey on the way home will need stuff. So that, and then I got her this from the pound shop. It's 2 doggies and I thought they were absolutely adorable. I think that one is a Cocker Spaniel and I haven't got a clue what that other one is. But yeah, you can collect them, but this is the only one I had in my pound shop, so I might go back and get some more. But yeah, I just thought she'll like that, and then when we come home she can put it in her little doll's house, because that is her favourite thing to do, is put her little figures in her doll's house. I got this from the pound shop. This was in a pack of 6, I think. It's basically party bag fillers, so if you're having a party, these are the sort of things you'd put in the little party bags. But I thought this would be really fun, and she loves things like this. She finds things really amusing like this. And I thought, yeah, I thought the lap trays of the plane, she could put this on and play with it. But it's basically a wind up toy. When you wind it up, the mouth does that and it moves as well. So I think she'll find that fun and we can have a laugh doing that. So that was from the pound shop. I've also put some in their little kind of like party bags at the wedding. I got 2 DVDs. These wasn't from the pound shop, but they're quite cheap. She absolutely loves watching films, anything Disney, and her new favourite is Paw Patrol. I saw this in B&M, I think it was, or Home Bargains for £2.99, and yeah, she hasn't seen this yet, so if she wants quiet time and wants to watch a film, or even at the hotel on our DVD player, she's got Paw Patrol. And then I also put a bid on eBay. This is not brand new, but it's in like excellent condition, there's nothing wrong with it. But I won this for £2 something on eBay, and it's just, it works perfectly. It's Tinkerbell and the Lost Treasure. She really loves Tinkerbell as well. So there's 2 new films for her there. From the pound shop, I also got one of these frozen magic springs. Yeah, it's actually sellotaped. It's sellotaped together, but it looks like that, and it kind of like springs, so you can put it down the stairs. Or she likes things like this. She likes playing with things, and it was only £1, so yeah, got her that. From the pound shop, I think this is from the pound shop, I got this Pepper mini play pack. It's got a mini colouring pad and I think like a larger colouring book as well with some crayons. Yeah, and we can chuck it afterwards if, you know, it gets messy or we don't want it anymore. So we didn't really spend a lot of money on it, so got that. I got one of these from the pound shop. It's Puzzle on the Go, in this little bag, and I thought this was quite travel friendly, and again, if she's bored, me and her can do this together. And it's just got the Disney princesses on it as well, so it's just a little puzzle, nothing too big as well. So I got a massive pack of mini Play-Dohs from WH Smith. They had a really good deal on it. It was kind of like a party bag filler bag, and they had tons of Play-Doh, and we go through Play-Doh so much in this household, so I've kind of kept some aside for rainy days and craft days, but I've also kept some for holiday. So there's just 4 mini pots here of Play-Doh, purple, yellow, blue and orangey coral colour. She will love this, and because she hasn't played it in a few weeks, it's kind of new to her again, so she's going to be so happy when she sees this. So yeah, Play-Doh is a must-have. It's a bit messy, but it makes them happy, and that is the main thing. Well, nearly the last thing. I got this from Asda, and it was £4 or £5, so this was kind of the most expensive toy that I got her, but I thought as a little reward at the end of the holiday, or during the holiday if she's being good, I just thought I could give this to her. And she has been watching YouTube videos of these and she loves them. They're basically Disney princesses, and this one's Cinderella because she's into Cinderella as well, and they have little snap-on dresses. I don't know if you can see there, but they have little dresses that they come with, and you kind of snap them on, and little bows. So yeah, that is kind of like her little treat. And then obviously when we're out in America, we'll probably get her a few more little toys and stuff, because it will be her birthday shortly. So yeah, that is like her, kind of like her main present. I mean, it's not too expensive. I do really want to try and collect them, so I'm hoping they sell these sort of things in America because they're probably cheaper. And then just for backups for the holiday in general, because I know we will be doing a lot of queuing for rides and waiting around for shows to happen, and just to keep her entertained for the holiday, I've got a few of these surprise eggs. She is obsessed with anything surprise egg related, so whether it's Kinder eggs, anything, she's obsessed with them. So I like these ones because they're not chocolate and they don't get too messy. The chocolate ones, they just melt all the time and they get really messy, so I thought I can't be dealing with that. These ones, you get a little sweet and a surprise in it, so I thought this is perfect kind of reward egg to give her. And they're Barbie, so yeah, you just get a little sweet and a surprise in there.